Just of registration po tayo. Pupunta po kayo dun sa registration information officer, yung video po. First, yung deed of sale or deed of donation, whatever deed of conveyance po. Then, if the taxes were paid, which is, yung proof for that is yung PIR e-card. Tapos, if the real property taxes are paid, so certificate of non-delinquency, then yung tax declaration must also be submitted. Then the transfer tax receipt po, if nabayaran nito yung transfer tax sa treasury. Then most important of all is the surrender of the original owner's duplicate copy of the title. After ma-assess po ni Rio na pwedeng ma-enter na sa system namin yung documents, ibibigay niya po kay entry clerk, which is itong entry, i-enter lang ni entry clerk kung anong klaseng transaction ba ito, tapos yung notarial details ng document. Tapos itignan niya kung ilan kopya ba yung binigay kasi kunwari, yung involved is a sale of a land and a building. So dapat dalawa yung tax deck, dalawa yung landed. After